In this video, you will learn about the next line email structure of the Suite CRM email to anything plugin. Let's have a look at the email body format we are going to send. If you receive an email like this where the key and its value are in consecutive separate lines, then you need to enable the next line switch. For this, in the admin panel, you can email to anything as installed on this Suite CRM. In step 3, you can see the configured inbound email address. We'll send emails to this email address. In step 4, you can see the receiver setting. Here we have set up in which module the record will going to create. And this is the targeted inbound email address that we showed earlier. Click on the Show All Switches button at the top of the receiver setting. In the email structure layer section, enable the next line switch. If this switch is enabled, then the plugin will parse data if the key and pair are in the consecutive next line. Let's go to the Leads module. There are no records. Now, we'll send an email. Here is the data structure of the email body. You will notice the key and its value are in separate lines. There are fields like name, email, phone, zip, etc. Let's send this email to the email address that we have set as inbound in Suite CRM. Write a subject and click on Send button. Go to the Leads module and refresh the page. As you can see, a record is successfully created here. All information including name, email address, phone number, zip, and location is extracted from email. In the detail view, you can see additional information sent via email like price, product, model, etc. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.